everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks. Wyatt is here. He is on bug duty, as he always is outside, aren't you, bud? Yep. Zena's here as well. She's hanging out with us today. There she is. I don't know what she's doing. I'm Laura, if you're new to my channel. So glad you're here. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out with us for the long haul. Today I have the Summer Curateur box. Wyatt's going to help me open it, I guess. If you're interested in this one, buddy, he probably thinks it's a giant bark box, which it is not. This is the Summer Curateur box, so we're going to get right into it and see what goodies are inside it. What do you think, buddy? You going to help me open it? Curateur is a lifestyle subscription box, luxury items, $99.99 a season. If you buy it all at once, the entire year at once, you do get $50 off of the full price. And this is through Rachel Zoe. Used to be called the Box of Style. Now it's called Curateur. She went through a full rebranding about a year ago and has turned her site into a full shopping experience. So you can get all kinds of things off of her Curateur site now, as well as this subscription box. Okay, let's dig right in. I will put my link for this down below. If you use my link, I do believe you should get something off of it. I think it's between $15 and $25 if you sign up for the box. Here's what I see when I open up the box, and it says Curateur, curating your life with style. These boxes are generally valued at around $400 each season for your $99 price tag. All right, here's what I see, and we're gonna get right into these items since Wyatt is uber interested in what's in my box. Let's see what these items are. First up, I have a, and this was a choice item, I believe. So you could get, yes, this was a choice item, and you either got the Merit Beauty Flush Balm or the Sunday Riley Lighthearted Broad Spectrum SPF 30, which was my choice. So this is a full size, and I love the Sunday Riley products. This is the Lighthearted, as I said, Broad Spectrum SPF 30, Zinc Oxide. See if I can get in here and show you what this looks like. It's not full size, it's 1.5 full ounce. Retails for this size retails for $35. It says it's cruelty-free, sulfite-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, soy-free, phthalate-free, fragrance-free. And it says, due to shipping restrictions, our members outside the U.S. will receive Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. So if you're outside the U.S., you would receive something other than this, just FYI. But $35 for this particular item, that's the value. And we'll keep going. Next up, I have a hat. This was not a choice item, so this everybody gets the hat. This is called the Rachel Zoe Collective Riviera hat. It retails for $80. Look how nice it folds all up for packing. It says add instant shade and chicness to all your summer looks with this Packable Sun Hat. Valued at $80. Oh, it comes with this that it wraps around in. And you can make it a little bit tighter if you want, so it has the little pull strings there. Here's what it looks like. A little bucket hat. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's cute. To get a little bit of the wrinkles out, but it's cute. What do you think? I'm gonna have to leave it on now because taking it off will probably mess up my hair. But that's cute. And we'll keep going. Next up, this one is the Walter Baker Acapulco Caftan. You had a choice between the ivory or the black. I chose the ivory. This is valued at $198. It's here tissue paper in there. Here's what it looks like. Has all that kind of tie up the front there. Has a little fringy on the end. So that's really cute. Lightweight. I'll try that on for you in just a minute. Let's look at the rest of the pieces. But it also came in black. It's very long, so I'll show you what that looks like. Next up, jewelry. This is the Jennifer Miller Starburst Charm Necklace. This also retails for $195. So there's some pricey items in here. Let's see what it says about it. It says, sparkle everywhere you go with the charm necklace that adds just the right amount of glam. It's 18 inches. The Starburst is 12.8 by 18 millimeters. And the center disc is 18 millimeters in diameter. So here, let me show this to you. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Turn that around. There we go. Very pretty. $195 is the retail price for this. And it does have room to adjust it, obviously, because the lengths are thick enough, so you could make it longer or shorter. But that's really pretty. I like that. And then I have one more item, and it is a tote bag. This is the Lombard Marche La Plage. I'm saying that all wrong. If it's French, I can't say it. Tote. It retails for $175. So let's check this out. So you've got full on end of summer, ready to get that last minute getaway in. Check this out. This is a really thick canvas, very big. So I can stick Xena and Wide in there, I think. Has a little pocket here. Check that out. See why? What do you think, Why? Can I put you in here? So you can see how thick it is there. That's really nice. I like that. This is brown, not black. I don't know if you're noticing that. That is really nice. And let's see what it says about this. It says, generous enough for all your essentials, this tote bag is a summer adventure staple. Plage, P-L-A-G-E. So someone tells me how to say that. Tell me how to say that. Means beach in French. The La Plage tote is a blend of their two primary sources of inspiration, effortless French style and India's hand craftsmanship. So it's 47 centimeters wide by 35 centimeters high. And I know I said that wrong, so I'm already aware. Let me know how it's supposed to be said. All right, I like that. So I will be right back, and I'm going to try the captain on so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so I've got everything on, and I put Wyatt in my bag because I wanted you to see how big it is. So Wyatt's in the bag. It's got plenty of room. Xena would actually fit in here too. Wyatt's not sure what to make of this, but he's in, he's in my little bag. So if I wanted to take him to the beach with me, he's set to go, but we won't torture him. We'll let him out. Go ahead, buddy. You want to get out? You want to get out, bud? Go ahead. There we go. All right. So it's quite big enough. You can see thickness. Perfect for all the things to go to the beach. This captain is nice and long, but I can still walk. I'm not going to trip. And I am 5'5" for reference. Right, buddy? You can wear my shirt instead. Got the hat on. I have my pretty necklace on. Look how pretty that is. Fixed my hat a little bit, so I think I have it on in the middle now. And I'm like set for a beach day. Wyatt can come with me. Xena doesn't like the heat, so she probably wouldn't come for beach day. There's the back. It's very chic, and this is a really nice lightweight material. So it feels nice on, very comfy. You could also like belt it if you wanted to dress it up. And it is, see, it is closed on the sides. It's not open. So that's a wrap on my Summer Curateur box. What did you think? I always have fun with these collections. I love that she always includes a beauty product, a jewelry item, something fun to wear that is usually all size inclusive, a fun little bag of some sort. So it's always a great collection. I enjoy it. I will put all the information for Curateur down below in case you'd like to give it a try. Would love to hear what you think, so comment down below. I've already seen a preview for the fall collection, so it does feel like the summer came a little bit late this time, so I'm not sure why. But it's perfect, just in time for those last minute summer getaways. And of course, if you have any getaways planned coming up, you can include all of these pieces for a fun little getaway. The fall looks pretty good as well, so I'm looking forward to that one. Hopefully we'll get that soon and we can enjoy those pieces a little bit earlier this season. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video. Hope you hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe as I mentioned in the beginning, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.